Hey, thanks for watching. Right now I'm in the process of building an online course. I actually use ClickFunnels, but I wanted to use Vimeo as my video host so that I could limit where the video can be embedded. So having it on YouTube scared me a little bit that somehow the video might be used in a place I don't want it to be. Basically, I want it only on the site of my course, which it's greenbeachcompany.com, and you'll see where I use that here in a minute. So you're looking now at my Vimeo. I don't know if it's Vimeo or Vimeo. Anyway, Vimeo main page, and in here it's pretty straightforward. So we'll go to settings, under account here it is videos, and you'll see right here kind of halfway down the page where can your videos be embedded. And I selected only sites I choose. You could always do anywhere or nowhere, makes it fully private link, so you can't embed it anywhere. Only sites I choose, and I added, these are the 4 sites I used. And one thing you notice I did here, so greenbeachcompany.com, and I believe it wasn't quite working, so I went back in and just added www.greenbeachcompany.com, and that was all the difference to work. So put in your domains, and put in the both with www and without. I'm sure there's a more technical explanation on why that works, but just to be safe, that way it's always loading where it should be when you want it to load. Anyway, that's quick and easy how I set up my Vimeo or Vimeo videos to only play on a site I selected. In my case, it's a behind a paywall for a course, but it really could be anywhere. Anyway, hope this helps, and thanks for watching.